So my name's Todd Riggs. I'm the Director of Product Management for Hyperconverged Solutions at Ross Video, and I am from Tampa, Florida.
Oh, you brought the hot weather with you today. It's just
That's right.
stifling in
yeah,
here.
Yeah, it's sunny. It's nice.
Thank you for that.
Well, no problem.
So what can visitors expect to see at Ross Media?
So what we're doing at Ross is we're talking about our hyperconverged platform, which is a product that takes, it's basically the concept's like a smartphone. It's taking lots of things that used to be individual products and making them into one platform and making them all work together, which is kind of the tricky part. But that's what that's about, and that's what we've got down there, and we're showing off.
So if we go to your stands at C50, we'll be able to see that.
Yes, yeah. We've got some of the hardware. We've got a couple of the different control panels, and then a bunch of people that can talk about it.
So, he's like, not me, not me.
Right.
So in terms of how long that sounds like it took a while to get all the components together, How was the launch for that?
It's been great. So what's happened is we started this platform about 5 years ago, and what's happened is it's gotten so popular, and we've been able to use some of the technology that kind of was the foundations of these, that we've been able to actually continue to grow and expand it. And so what's happened over the life of the product is we've been adding more and more features and more functionality to it. So it's been incredibly successful for Ross, and it's really made, more importantly, it's made the lives of our customers a lot easier by simplifying how they do things.
So can you take us through a few different elements that maybe we can find on the software?
So what we've tried to do is build common hardware. So instead of maybe traditionally where you're going to have lots of different hardware that you have to build, and then it's purpose built for very specific things, we focused on hardware that was very simple. So, very few options on the hardware side. And then through software, turn on all the cool bits. There's things like audio and video processing. There's things like multi-viewers. There's massive routing fabrics. We've got vision mixing. I'm in a different part of the world. Vision mixing in there, and we've been able to do a lot of that through software. And so it makes it really flexible, and allows people to kind of change what it does, and extends the life of things, that sort of thing.
So they can adapt it to their needs.
Right.
So talking about flexibility, is this something that can be accessed across the world, or do they need like a...
No. We've got these. These are all over the world in all kinds of environments. I think traditionally people think of things like this in broadcast, but that it's in corporate and government and houses of worship, and just about anywhere where you need to process video and audio signals, you probably find one of these platforms in there.
Well, hallelujah for Ross Video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for coming to talk to us.
Thanks for having us.
All right, no problem.